I posted my first design for sale on Etsy a couple of weeks ago, and I already have my first few sales and only have 18 listings up. I just talked about how I got my first sales, but I was able to make that jump from 1 to 9 very quickly. If you haven't watched that first video yet, I really recommend you go back, see how I got my first sales, and then we'll talk about how I jumped from 3 to 9. It really was super simple. All I really had to do was ask my friends and family if they would check out my shop, see if there's any designs they liked, and if there was, order one. I had a few people willing to do this. It's a huge help for anybody starting out on Etsy just to get off of 0, 1, or 2 sales. The more sales I get on my page, the more comfortable people will be of buying off of my page, so this was a huge step for me. Now, I also made and gave out a temporary discount code for free shipping for my friends and family, since obviously I could just give it to them in person. And this was on top of the grand opening sale I had for everybody on my shop that's still going on right now, and that's 40% off. I did this to try to help get my page from 0 to hopefully 15 to 20 sales in my first month. So I had reached out to my dad, who ordered 2 shirts, and then I had 2 other friends that each got a shirt themselves. Shortly after that, I got another organic sale on my page as well. When starting a shop like this, you really have to appreciate the little victories. Everybody has to start somewhere, and it's very rare that you'll start with hundreds of orders right out of the gate. So I am very, very appreciative for all the orders that I do end up getting. With just starting out, I make sure to take extra care on every single one of my orders, make sure that design is centered and level, and I am just enjoying the journey as it comes and not trying to push it too fast. So I just want to say thank you to absolutely everyone. I really appreciate it. And make sure you hit subscribe so you can follow along on this journey with me.